It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, the 19th of February. I'm Michael Groff. Dry weather and temperatures above average over the next few days. But we'll see an increase in clouds on Friday, leading to rain becoming likely Friday night and Saturday. How much rain will we get, and how warm will it be over the next few days? Let's talk about it. Speaking of warm, yesterday in the valley, 79 degrees was the afternoon high, 51 the low. The normals, 71 and 49. Outside now, here at 6:25 a.m., mostly cloudy skies to begin this day, and we're sitting at 55 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 39, humidity 55%. The winds are light, and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, yes, it's in the 40s at Goldfield, Saguaro Lake, the normal cool spots, but for the most part, we are in the 50s. The upper air look reveals a broad trough over the northern tier states once again, but here across Arizona, generally a dry west and northwesterly flow. Here's the watch warning map, and it's pretty quiet around the country. A few winter weather advisories, parts of Colorado and Kansas, Nebraska, Iowa. And yes, flash flood watches continue for parts of the southeast. A few flood warnings along the rivers in Alabama, for example, the Tallapoosa River, the Tombigbee River, and they're just getting dumped on rain and more rain, and that's going to continue for a while around there. Severe weather outlook for today, no organized severe storms across the country. In fact, hardly any thunder, maybe a little bit along the Sabine Pass. And precipitation for the next 7 days, we might see about a half inch of rain or so here in the valley. A few spots may pick up just a bit more than that as these numbers continue to trend upward with better model agreement. Speaking of the models, let's take a look at those right now, see what the future may hold. Here we go to the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. High pressure over the Pacific Northwest, a dry west to northwesterly flow here, and a weak wave moving on through. So down at the surface, partly sunny skies this morning. We'll see more sun by this afternoon. High temperatures in the mid and upper 70s. Tonight, mostly clear skies, lows in the 40s to low 50s, and then tomorrow, sunny, warmer, highs upper 70s and low 80s. Yes, this could be our first crack at the 80-degree mark for this year. And then on Friday, here comes a low approaching the Southern California coast. The flow aloft turns more southwesterly. We'll see an increase in clouds through the day. High temperatures should still climb into the mid and upper 70s. Friday night, we'll start to see an increase in rain across the area. Rain becoming likely in the valley by late in the evening and overnight. And then the day on Saturday, mostly cloudy, rain likely in the morning. We'll start to see it decrease by the afternoon, but there may be just enough instability for a thunderstorm and perhaps a locally heavy downpour with that. For the most part, though, I think the rain will be generally light to moderate, relatively short-lived. We'll probably see about a 12-hour window for our best chance at rain here in Metro Phoenix. Heavier totals of rain will be confined to northern and eastern Arizona. But again, we could still see around a half inch. And high temperatures on Saturday fall back into the upper 60s. Sunday, the rain's out of here very quickly, though. We return to mostly sunny skies, highs around 70. Monday, around 70, maybe the low 70s. And again, mostly sunny skies. A system dropping through the west, passing through the Great Basin in the Four Corners region, now looks to be a little bit weaker, faster moving, and further to the north, especially off the European runs, but even the GFS is trending that way. So we'll knock high temperatures down a little bit on Tuesday, back maybe to the mid and upper 60s, but certainly not nearly as cool as it was looking. And then a week from today, this is Wednesday the 26th. High pressure to the west, west to northwesterly flow continues, temperatures moderating a bit. Going out 10 days to the end of the period, this is Friday the 28th, and that still looks fairly dry with a ridge, and temperatures fairly seasonal. All right, temperatures off the national blend of models will warm it up. In fact, it's got us at 81 degrees for tomorrow, and then slowly dropping us into the weekend, and next week, highs pretty close to normal, maybe just a little bit above average. And those overnight lows will be mild as well. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever we post a brand new video, you'll be alerted. Your comments, questions, and suggestions, always encouraged as well. Thanks so much for watching. Be safe out there. And you guys have yourselves a fantastic Wednesday.